Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Dr. Malik here, and we're super excited to share some important information with you today. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the top 10 foods that are bad for your brain. You might be surprised by some of the items on this list. Remember, we've only got one brain and it's our job to look after it. Our brain is like the control center of our body. To keep it functioning at its best, we need to give it the good stuff, nutritious, brain-boosting foods. Think of it like putting the right fuel in a high-performance car. If you put the wrong petrol in, it won't run properly. Similarly, bad food can really mess with your brain power. So we're going to tell you the 10 worst foods for your brain. Make sure to listen closely and take notes. You might want to jot down some of these points. Let's get started on this journey to better brain health. First up, sugary drinks. These colorful and enticing beverages are everywhere, from your local grocery store to your favorite fast food joint. They might give you a quick burst of energy, making you feel alert and awake for a short while, but they're really bad for your brain in the long run. Consuming these sugary drinks regularly can damage your brain cells, making it hard to concentrate, remember things, and just think properly. Over time, this can lead to more serious cognitive issues. So ditch the fizzy drinks and go for healthier alternatives. Water is always a great choice, and unsweetened tea can be a refreshing change. Or maybe try some water infused with fruits and vegetables for a bit of natural flavor. Your brain will thank you for making the switch. Refined carbs. These are like hidden sugar bombs. They get digested really quickly, making your blood sugar levels go up and down, which makes your brain feel slow and foggy. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruit, and veg instead. These give you slow-release energy, keeping your blood sugar steady and your brain happy. Now let's talk trans fats. These are the worst kind of fat for your body, especially your brain. You'll find these in processed foods, fried stuff, and even some margarines. They can actually hurt your brain cells and make you more likely to get serious brain problems like Alzheimer's disease. So check the food labels and avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oil in it. Highly processed foods. Think packaged snacks, fast food, and those tempting fast food burgers and fries. And don't forget about those frozen dinners. You get the idea. These foods are convenient but come at a cost. They're full of bad fats, added sugar, artificial ingredients, and preservatives that can wreak havoc on your health. All sorts of things your brain doesn't like. These ingredients can lead to serious issues over time. Eating these regularly can cause inflammation, which is a major problem for your brain. It can also lead to bad blood flow to the brain, restricting the essential nutrients and oxygen it needs. This can make you more likely to have problems thinking clearly, focusing, and even remembering things. So, stick to real whole foods as much as you can. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are your brain's best friends. Aspartame. It's in diet drinks and sugar-free treats. It might seem like a good idea if you're watching your weight, but it's not good for your brain. Studies show it can cause headaches, mood swings, and even problems with learning and memory. If you want something sweet, have some fruit or a little bit of honey or maple syrup. Alcohol. A little bit of red wine might be good for your heart, but too much alcohol is really bad for your brain. Drinking too much can cause memory problems, make it hard to concentrate, and even shrink your brain. So if you do drink, don't have too much, and always look after your brain. Some fish, like swordfish, king mackerel, and shark, can have lots of mercury in them. Mercury is a metal that's poisonous for your brain, especially for babies and young children. Too much mercury can cause problems with memory, concentration, and even speaking. Choose fish that are low in mercury, like salmon, shrimp, sardines, and tinned light tuna. Eating too much fried food is really bad for your brain. These greasy treats are often cooked in bad oils at high temperatures, which creates nasty stuff that can damage your brain cells. So don't eat fried food too often, and try to eat more brain-boosting foods instead. Too much salt can give you high blood pressure, which is bad for the blood vessels in your brain. This can lead to less blood getting to your brain, which can cause problems with thinking, strokes, and even dementia. Cook at home more often so you can control how much salt you use. Use herbs, spices, and other flavorings instead of salt. Eating lots of red meat can make you more likely to have problems with thinking and brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Have it every now and then, but try to eat more beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh instead. Your brain and your heart will thank you. Remember, what you eat affects your brain, so choose foods that are good for it. By avoiding these bad foods and eating healthy, nutritious food, you can keep your brain working well for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more health tips.